Hi, I'm Danny with Otto & Sons Nursery. Welcome to our backyard orchard. I want to talk a little bit today about summer pruning. This is a nectarine tree. You see we're here pretty close to a sidewalk. Now, come here, Abby, you gonna come help? Come here, come on. So what we're gonna do is the goal of summer pruning is to control size. We have our clippers and our loppers. This is a pretty small tree, so we can probably get away with just clippers. So we just want to bring the height down and control late summer vigor. So we're just kind of indiscriminately going to cut some of these longer branches and just bring the height down. What will happen is if we leave all these to grow, our fruit's going to set way up here in the next spring, and we're going to have to get the ladder out to pick, and I don't really want to do that. So we're just going to bring this down a little bit and then make sure that we're not really encroaching on the pathway too much. Bring this back a little bit. One more tall one here in the back. That's it for summer pruning. Thanks for watching.